Hi, my name's Nicole.
Hi, I'm Janelli Garza.
Hi, my name is Chad Barnes.
Hi guys, my name's Carmen, and me and the rest of my group members are going to tell y'all about the 8 elements of thought.
When talking about the question at issue, there are two words that usually relate to it. That is the problem and the issue. You really want to make sure that the question at issue is made clear and precise in order to guide thinking. You also really want to clarify the meaning of the question. You can also do this by creating sub-questions to the questions, or organizing whether or not the question is going to have definitive answers, or if it's going to be a matter of opinions answer. Some questions to help target your question at issue is, what is the question that I'm trying to answer? Is there a better way of writing it? Can I explain it? Or simply, is this question clear or is it a complex one? When talking about purpose, there are typically two words that go hand in hand with it. Those two words are a goal and an objective. Your purpose is your goal, and the objective is what you are trying to accomplish. You want your purpose to be made clear, and also to be distinguished from other relatable purposes. You also want it to be significant and relatable. Two questions that could help you target purpose are, 1, what is the objective of the task that I'm doing, or the assignment, or the policy, or the job? Another question could be, what is the purpose of what I'm doing? Or what is their purpose for what they're doing?
Point of view. Point of view is how you see the world from where you're standing. Everybody has their own perspectives of the world. So when making a fair thought on something, you want to first look and listen, see other people's perspectives. Maybe you agree on somebody else's point of view, and you grab that and add it onto your perspective. Or if you disagree, that could also help your idea too by reassuring your perspective on a certain subject, matter, or idea. Point of view. Assumptions. Assumptions is an idea that you make based off of what you first see or what you first hear, or an idea that you make based off of what you think you may already know. It's a baseless idea that you make without first gathering facts and other perspectives or looking more into the situation. That is what assumptions is.
With the elements of thoughts, you have implications and consequences. Implications are claims of truth that logically follow from other claims or truths. Consequences follow from actions. The best thinkers think through things logically in a situation before acting. And then also you have the concepts, which are ideas, theories, laws, principles, or hypotheses we use to make sense of things. This is where your logic comes in, and you make sure you are thinking and using your mind properly.
The first element we're going to talk about is information. Let's start off with just knowing what information even means. Information is facts, data, observation, and or evidence that is used to figure something out. We need information to do pretty much anything and everything. Information should always be accurate and go along with the topic being discussed. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. To make sure that you have valid and appropriate information, make sure to ask yourself these few questions. What do I need to know to answer this question? What is needed and what is not needed? Is it enough info? Should I take any out, add any in? Does this information help me reach the goal that we've laid out? And lastly, the proof of accuracy. Next, we're going to talk about interpretation and inference. This kind of goes along with information because you need to have information collected to make inferences. Inferences and interpretation are conclusions that you have made throughout your observation. You should make inferences based on the information you have gathered, just like I said. To make sure you're making the right inferences, you need to ask yourself, what exactly is my conclusion? Once you've stated that, you need to ask if your inference is logical, if you should consider anything else. Does the conclusion follow up with the data and information? And how did you make this inference? Thank you for listening to me and my group explain the 8 elements of thought. Hope you enjoyed everything.